What happens when AI can think, reason, and sometimes outperform you at your job? OpenAI's O3 AGI release isn't just another upgrade. It is the signal of a new era that will disrupt millions of jobs. In 2025 alone, 87 million jobs could be eliminated, but 97 million new jobs will also be created by AI. As a qualified accountant with 13 years at Big Four firms and Big Tech and an Oxford Brookes University alumnus, I have seen firsthand how early adopters of new technologies captured 95% of the rewards during major disruptions. So in this video, I will share what OpenAI's O3 release means for the future of artificial general intelligence and your job, and the 5 essential skills and strategies of my AI survival kit that will future-proof your career or business. So what is AGI and why is there so much hype around the O3 model? Let me break this down. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence, and AI so advanced that it can learn and perform general tasks across multiple domains, much like a human. OpenAI's O3 achieved an 87.5% score on the ARC AGI benchmark, surpassing human performance of 85%. This is the end. It also scored 96.7% on the American Invitational Mathematics examination and mastered 71.7% of complex software engineering tasks. But what does this mean for you? Imagine having a colleague who never sleeps, processes information at superhuman speed, and logically learns from every interaction and has reasoning capabilities. That's quite a formidable colleague. The careers most impacted by O3's advancements are those rooted in repetitive, predictable tasks and moderate level of logical reasoning, but most, if not all, jobs will get a productivity boost, and that's where the first strategy comes in. The single most profound mindset shift you can make right now is that AI isn't out there to replace you, it's actually here to amplify your impact so you can produce your best work. The risk is that you fall behind of others who adopt this mindset shift. AI personally helps me manage my email inbox at work, assist with documents, plan trips, record expenses, and do research, saving considerable time on routine tasks and freeing me up to do what I enjoy. For example, making videos and sharing what I've learned with you. Here is a broad prompt you can use to identify how AI can automate or assist in your own workflow. It's beginner friendly but powerful enough for professionals as well. You can effectively say, I am, and then insert your job title or business owner in industry or field. For example, I'm an accountant in the tech industry. Please list tasks or activities that AI can either fully or partially automate, especially those that consume a lot of time. For each task, highlight how it boosts productivity or saves time to provide a quick step-by-step plan for implementation. Once you've identified these tasks or activities, you can then apply the next strategy, which I call the rule of 5. What it means is to narrow down and become proficient with the top 5 AI tools that will give you the biggest return on investment for your job, business, or study/research. For example, here are the 5 AI tools I personally rely on. For efficient project and team management, I use Notion to organize my channel's content and future plans, while Asana helps me coordinate large-scale projects with multiple stakeholders at work. ChatGPT and Claude AI for advanced data analysis, generating interactive visualizations, prototyping ideas for new tools or solutions, and creative brainstorming. And Perplexity AI for reliable internet research with source attribution to prevent AI hallucinations. Now, a pro tip, you can actually enhance the prompt we used in the previous chapter and add an additional third step, asking ChatGPT to identify the top 5 AI tools relevant to your tasks and provide specific examples of how to incorporate them into your daily workflow. Using this will give you a list of 5 core AI tools. Now you can ask it to give you a list of 10 and you can decide which 5 tools you think are the most relevant. But once you've identified the top 5 AI tools which are most relevant to your needs, the next skill will set you apart from 90% of AI users, and that is prompt engineering. Garbage in, garbage out is exactly what happens without mastering prompt engineering techniques. Common mistakes include giving vague instructions, lack of clarity in the desired output, and not using constraints or advanced techniques. In my experience, you can get up to 10x better results if you know how to write effective prompts. Advanced techniques include the flip interaction method, few shots prompting, and chain of thought prompting. I recently made a comprehensive video on mastering 80% of prompt engineering, covering the core elements of an effective prompt, advanced methods, and bonus strategies. So rather than covering them again here in this video, I'll include a link in the description and it will pop up somewhere here on the screen. If you're interested, you can check it out. Now, everything we've covered so far will level up your skills and help you future-proof your job. A job which is secure gives you financial security, which brings me to the next skill, which isn't taught enough in college, school, or universities. One most people learn by making costly mistakes, and that is financial literacy. Relying solely on income from one job, which may be at risk of getting disrupted through AI, significantly limits your earning potential because you're effectively exchanging time for income. And if that job goes away, it's quite hard to get back on the same footing in a short time. But instead, shifting to a value-based mindset will let you earn by delivering value to many people at once. For example, creating a digital guide on a subject you have expertise is a one-time effort, but can generate ongoing revenue without additional time investment. Combining the financial literacy knowledge with AI proficiency can help you gain an unfair advantage. 4 core financial literacy principles include: number 1, accounting. And I don't say that because I'm a qualified accountant, but because of the benefit it provides me. Understanding where my money comes from and goes helps me make smarter decisions every day. And it can do the same for you. Making your money work for you through stocks and other investments can be quite lucrative if you learn how to identify the right stocks. I personally use AI to review the financial data and news to identify the right investing opportunities. Number 3, not rely on just one paycheck. Consider side projects, freelancing, or online businesses to increase your income sources. And this is again where AI has reduced the barriers to entry for solo entrepreneurs for so many businesses, where previously you needed to hire someone who could code and someone who could do graphic design. All of those things have significantly been made easy with the dawn of AI. And number 4, saving and budgeting. Being able to track and optimize your spending with smart systems will maximize the benefit you can get from your current income. In one of my upcoming videos, I will share the ultimate 2025 financial plan, sharing 2 frameworks to grow and protect your income. So if you're interested, feel free to hit subscribe so you're notified when that video comes in. But with all the new AI tools and financial literacy, what's the one thing AI can't replicate about you? Well, it's your human-centric skill set. According to a recent study by McKinsey, while 50% of current work could be automated by 2025, demand for social economic skills will rise by 24%, and technological skills will rise by 55%. With AI being one of the key areas. The 5 key human-centric skills which can give you an unfair advantage in the long term include emotional intelligence, understanding and managing your own feelings and others to build strong teams and lead effectively. Number 2, complex problem solving. Solving ambiguous problems without clear answers is something humans significantly excel at over AI. I mean, look at it this way. AI was made by humans to solve a particular set of problems. So our capability of building something even more complex and better than AI cannot be ruled out. Next, creative and innovative thinking, coming up with fresh and original ideas that keep you ahead of the curve. Number 4, sound judgment and ethical decision making. Maintaining trust and integrity with moral choices are things which AI can't just replace. Number 5, interpersonal communication. Building a rapport, listening effectively, and collaborating effectively with others is what can set you apart from many people at workplace. In my day job, AI saves me time on data analysis and routine tasks, freeing me to interact more deeply with my business partners, have those warm handshakes, solve complex problems using emotional intelligence when working with people from different cultural backgrounds. Polishing these skills is a sure way to get ahead. Speaking of getting ahead, have you noticed that the most successful people in the AI arena aren't just technical experts with great knowledge of AI? They're the ones who can effectively package and sell their knowledge to either educate others or solve business problems by building products and services using AI as a tool. NotebookLM from Google is transforming how knowledge spread across multiple different sources like YouTube videos, text files, PDFs, audio recordings is managed in one central location and enables you to monetize this knowledge by structuring it into engaging content which you can monetize, for example, as an online course or an ebook or any other digital product. You might like this video where I talk about 2 ways NotebookLM can make you money in 2025.